Once there was just men and nature. Then men came bearing crosses. We used to believe that we were the center of the universe, that the sun and the stars all revolved around us. And we spent the last 500 years since Copernicus in this slow crawl to where we are now, to this pinnacle of human achievement, where we finally bent nature to our will. We split the atom. We broke the fabric of reality. That's how far we've come. Now the lights of our cities stretch further than the stars in the sky. But the more perfect society gets, the more psychotic we become. We evolved through brutality. That's why we had teeth and claws. Self-preservation was the highest law. But as time went on, the pack began to provide for us, and we abandoned our violent nature. But it never went away. Laid beside us in our sleep, waiting. And as it waited, we became slaves to the systems we built. Now it's all falling apart. Soon our cities will be washed away by floods, buried in sand, burned to the ground.